Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I already made a video in this exact spot, but I'm gonna try to solve the world's hardest scramble. Let me first give my scramble it. Alright, scramble it even more. Make it impossible. What, are you trying to solve the cube or are you trying to scramble it? Yeah, scramble it. Yeah, make it impossible. Right, this is the world's hardest scramble. Just took 40 seconds for you to scramble this. It's still not great enough. I need to do better. I need to do way better. It's taking a while, guys. Have I solved the cube? How did I do the world record? Did my face get so? I'm staring at the cube. Man, this is hard. I solved the world's hardest scramble. Let me scramble it even more. This is just a short video. Hey, scramble it hard. Why is your cube sticky? Did you clean it, man? You should be doing it faster. Alright. Here is the scramble. It'll get solved. Second scramble. Bro just copied it on his phone. Bro's finding more scrambles for me. This is gonna be an easy video. Did my face just get so? Well, if my face is sewn, I'm gonna need to delete this video. We'll cut it out. Cause I'm too young for a face reveal. Solved the cube. Let's see our next scramble. Scramble it fast. Faster. Faster. Scramble it at the cube. You should just scramble it. Are you trying to solve this cube? Doing the right side. Let me get the right side. I'm trying to solve it by doing the white cross. You just did the red side. Why now you just solve the cube? Scramble it. Do the scramble. Do not repeat it. Do not undo it. Finally. Oh God. You done? Alright. I got the third scramble. I'm just using the method I was taught. First, I'm gonna do the white cross, then I'm gonna do the second side. I'm gonna skip it. Now I'm gonna do the PLL step, cause I don't care. Right, I did the white cross again, cause I don't care. I'm about to do the right side. I just did the second side, but I don't care. I'm gonna do the peel. Okay. Solve the scramble. and I skipped the white side, second side, and and then I just did white cross and PLL many times. I did the white second side only on white. Alright, let's see the third scramble. Nice, you keep on doing the white side. Stop solving it. You're doing the white cross for me. Man, just make this the world's hardest scramble. I'm not gonna stop until I can solve it. This is gonna be a 12-minute video. Are you solving the right side? Are you trying to solve this cube? Not stopping until you find the actual world's hardest scramble, which I'm unable to solve. Alright, this scramble is taking so long. Let's speed this up. Speed this up. Speed the scramble up. Nice, you're almost done the scramble. Alright, I got our cube here. Time to solve it. Man, this is getting hard. As you can see, my hands are tired from solving my friend's scramble, who helped me make one video, which YouTube said is too long. Alright, I just solved the right side. I'm so close. If you say I give up, then you win, friend. I'm not allowed to say anything. Do not talk. I'm giving this 2 more minutes until I give up. Yo. Let's go. And let's see how many scrambles left you got. Let me see the screen. You got lost. Scramble. Alright, I'm gonna give you the cube and you need to scramble it. Now I'm gonna try to solve the 4x4 after 5 years. 4 years. It took me 3 years to learn how to solve this. This joke, and it took me 3 months. So it'll take me 4 months to learn the 4x4. And then 1 year to learn the 12x12, 4x4. 12 years to solve, 12 months to solve the 12x12. And just 1 second to solve the 1x1. What's that noise outside? Man, you better not win. You have until 10 minutes and it's so far been 29 minutes, 23 seconds since you... Now you just solved the right side. I have something. Man, the scramble is 2 pages long. Just stop the scramble after you're done 1 page. Where did you buy this notebook, by the way? You do not speak, tell me later. Well, it has been 10 minutes. Time for me to have the cube. Let's solve it. This is so hard. I'm getting tired. You. Ivan. Let's go. Now I'm gonna slap you with this 12 kilo thing. So have fun. Bye bye, guys.